This is the perfect weather to be sowing seeds. It's raining, not too much, it's still enjoyable to be outside, but you can see the beds are fairly saturated. I'll be filling out these empty spots in my brassica bed with some more brassicas. In the middle, I'm gonna save some space for some Chinese cabbage later this summer. Right here in the corners, I'm gonna pop in decorative pumpkins. Along the border here, I'll sow some parsnip seeds. Around this little trellis here, I'm gonna pop in the beans. This is also the perfect weather to look out for any slugs. Kohlrabi and broccoli is sown. I will pop in fennel wherever my beets are because they will be harvested soon. Just make sure your seed packages are covered from the rain. I have this clear protective box. I have scattered a few pak choi, fennels, and now my parsnips on different places. Going ahead and covering my Turk's turban decorative pumpkins here. Now I'm planting the peas, the sugar snap peas. I've transplanted the nasturtium I had in the other bed to this corner right here. I thought I had more green beans than this, so I'm gonna have to choose the location wisely. But I know I'll pop one in here for sure, and I'll just press it in. And one here. And right here. So I have 2 left. I might put one right here in this corner here. I'm gonna pop it in right here. There we go. It's all done.